So friends, आप देख सकते हैं this guy is explaining to the people who have come to the chocolate factory what are the different types of chocolate they have. To the extreme left is the milk chocolate, then you can see the purple is the blueberry chocolate, and the mango yellow one is a, yes, it's a mango chocolate, and the bitter chocolate. And आपको सब टेस्ट कराते हैं वो जितने भी लोग हैं ग्रुप में, all of you can taste and purchase what you like.
இப்போ வந்து
Yeah.
கோகோ பவுடர் வந்து யூஸ் பண்றது இல்ல. இந்த மேங்கோக்கு வந்து மேங்கோ பல்ப் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. சேலம்ல இருந்து வருது. இந்த இதுக்கு வந்து இது வந்து ப்ளூபெர்ரி. இந்த ஒயிட் சாக்லேட் வந்து வெண்ணிலா. ஓகே, வெண்ணிலாக்கு வந்து வெண்ணிலா எசன்ஸ், மில்க் பவுடர், சுகர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. இதுல வந்து ப்ளூபெர்ரி எசன்ஸ்.
This is like Switzerland. Yeah. It's a beauty, right? So, you can have apples in Ooty too. You'll have to buy it from the market. All the beautiful little rabbits, birds, small little toy dogs, rabbits. Oh my God, nature, God made nature, but humans destroyed nature. It's sad. Today I'm showing you the hotel in which I am staying. It's by the name King's Cliff, and let me show you, give you a room tour. And the best part is every room has a name. This is by the name Avon, and my room is by the name Arden. So let me take you inside Arden. As you can see, it's all antique. You have a coffee corner. You have a chimney in case it gets very cold. I feel all the furniture is like very antique and very classy. It's a small compact room, but you wouldn't find it congested. It's good enough, sufficient for two people. Pleasant and a warm feeling with its color combination. You can pull apart the curtains and have a view. So all you guys who are wanting to come to the Nilgiris, you can visit this hotel. So moving forward, let me just fix my hair. Yeah. Oh my God, my face is glowing enough. It's like all the love in the air of Ooty, the Nilgiris. I just spotted a beautiful gift store beside my room, and look at the sitting area. Oh my God, it is like the most romantic place to sit, even by yourself. And this is a gift store. Here you can buy certain articles which will be a part of your memories forever, that you purchased it from Ooty, King's Cliff Hotel. This young lady is the one who takes care of the store. I would request her to make a small clip from mine. Oh yeah, I'm feeling so nice sitting here. Oh goodness, thank you. This is so pretty, this is so divine. I just don't have words to explain as to what I'm feeling sitting here. Look at this chair. The chair has a detailing of flowers. Oh, I wish I could take it along with me to Kanpur. But no, this chair is not for the city life. This is for the hills, and it's supposed to be kept here itself, so that everybody who comes and visit the place, they can enjoy the beauty of this place. And kindly do go and visit the store also. Thank you, young lady. So, like moving forward, let me show you the hotel, premises of the hotel. I can walk kilometers and kilometers. Look at this. Oh my god, this is young little boy who's playing the guitar. What more romantic? Romance with the nature, romance in the Nilgiri hills. Yeah, good. Yeah, it's lovely to sit in here.
When we're done making love and you look up and give me those eyes.
This is the Earl's Secret fine dining area. You can sit here, you can sit there. This is the reception area. This is the name of the hotel, King's Cliff. And this is the small reception. This is the staff over here. Keeps me, I don't know, it's kind of making me go back, roll down the memory lanes when the Britishers were here, ruling in our country. How blessed they must be feeling sitting in India, in a place like Ooty. Well, this belongs to us. This belongs to India. So definitely we had to have it back, and we have had it back too.
James கூப்பிட்டுட்டு எப்படி வேணும்னு கேட்போம்.
And I wanted to mention that the staff is very cordial and very supportive. Yeah, very nice. And there's another dining area here. There's another sitting area where you have your high tea. I like the color combination. I always dreamt to have a house on the hills where I could have loads and loads of flowers of all kind. There couldn't be no limits. And I wish I could have some rabbits over here running here and there, beautiful birds along. This is a nice romantic corner for families or for couples who want to spend time together. Going on vacations by yourself with your loved ones or with your spouse, it regenerates your relationship. So always take out some time and definitely go for a vacation. It really helps. It definitely helps. This is a gift of God. Why not we enjoy it? Let's not miss the chance. If we're staying in India, we're not that comfortable enough to get out of our jobs and our daily livelihood responsibilities. So it is some kind of a what should I say? We are then unfortunate. Yes, I would rightly put it as the word unfortunate. So do come over anywhere, any hill station, anywhere. Right now I'm in Ooty, that's why I'm making my vlogs on Ooty. Yeah, you look so sweet. Taking your hold your tray like that. Yeah, hold your tray like that. You were looking so cute. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Where are you from, ma'am?
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. See how in the rails they carry the food to all the rooms. Yeah, friends, so this is dinner time. Everyone is in a relaxed mode, dancing and singing. I am sitting beside the fireplace and enjoying my dinner. Yeah, friends, I was told by the staff that this hotel was initially a house to a Britisher who stayed with his family, and you can have a look at the architecture. It's 100 years old. Yes, definitely they must have done for its maintenance. The the flooring, the fireplace. So I hope you like the vlog. The second part of this vlog would be coming very soon. So stay tuned.